You messed up your
Now this is Boss Black eating oysters trying to eat oysters for the first time. Let's just laugh at this guy drinking.
Robbie back there.
Please don't cut yourself.
Get set.
I don't think that's the open.
Oh yeah, we on Dodge anyway.
Because that knife is sharp as a bitch.
She took.
Be careful.
Steve Block. Steve Block.
He about to try to eat them for the first time. Let me see.
It's steamed good too. Yeah.
You know
He
the other
steamed them
pressures.
enough.
You know the other pressures.
He steamed them enough.
You like yours hard. Oh, good. She just had a family day. Baby,
they don't take that long. People eat raw oysters.
I know they do. Oh, it's a cake. Okay, now why you look? It's black.
He gonna be ready to hold tonight.
Why you look right there?
His old ass gonna be ready to hold tonight.
This Boss Black eating the oyster, man.
Can I get another one?
Oyster, please.
Ruby, you need a knife?
That was nasty shit. That was the nasty shit I've ever in the fucking world. Man, that shit was disgusting. Man. I don't mean to cut, man, for real, man. I'm ready to die. No, for real. No bullshit. No bullshit. What can I dive at? I'm ready to kill myself.
Get some and throw some hot sauce on it. Something wrong with it. You throw some hot sauce on it.
This is in that tray out there. Yes.
That was the nastiest shit ever, man. Hey, Zayden and Zevin, don't ever eat oysters.
Well, ain't nothing wrong with that. You ain't it
Oh my
wrong.
God, it was never so nasty, man. I mean, it's...
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna interview Boss Black. Real quick. All right, your first time eating oysters, correct?
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
What can I dive at?
On a scale from 1 to 10, how good are they? 10 being the best. They taste the best.
What's the worst?
1.
1?
Yeah.
-10. Don't ever eat oysters, man. I swear to God, man, it's the nastiest.
What it tastes like?
It tastes like the bottom of a. It tastes like the bottom of a crusted foot that ain't been washed in 13 days.
Why would you know how to taste?
No, I'm talking about the crust of it that get in your mouth. Like a flake of a.
It won't be good, Black. I know.
Hold on.
I done it myself, bro.
Catch a fish and bite it.
That shit is nasty, bro. But I eat oysters.
Catch a fish and bite it?
Catch a fish and bite it.
Yeah, you right. Hey, when I did, I thought the machine cut on in me, a whole motor lit up.
Catch a fish and bite
The
it.
whole car started up in me. I'm talking for real. Shit, that say.
That's how fried tilapia tastes to me. Like,
Oh my God, man.
fried tilapia to me tastes like if you catch a fish and just bite it.
I ate them oyster raw.
Fried tilapia tastes like if a bear want to eat.
Yeah, I try to be cool and tell the people, oh, I eat raw
Gate
oysters.
set.
I'm gonna die, man.
Always drinking.
Yeah, man.
Let me see. Look. Let me.
Actually good for you.
Yeah, he ready to help tonight.
You grabbed it and that shit like little chitlins. You got like 2 chitlins and squeezed them and put them in your mouth.
I eat chilies all day long before I eat that
What
shit.
type of shit is my way?
I eat chilies all day long before I eat a raw oyster ever again. Ever.
So good.
B-Lock ain't invite me to the movie today. He made up some dumb excuse. This is documented, like some crazy ass excuse. I was with you all day yesterday. So you made up a dumb excuse today?